Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Kirloskar Oil Engines. Our analyst reiterates positive view on Kirloskar Oil Engines as it has expanded its fuel agnostic CPCB 4 Plus compliant OptiPrime gensets range and is aiming to increase market share in data center and infrastructure segments. Kirloskar Oil is seeing strong demand for retrofit dual fuel kits and emission control devices in CPCB 2 gensets. Moreover, demand for CPCB 4 Plus gensets is expected to pace up in second half of FY24. Industrial demand continues to be strong from mining, marine, construction, defense and railways. Further, Kirloskar Oil's diversification through scaling up of its B2C business, services and export bodes well for growth. It has a healthy balance sheet and a lean working capital cycle. We build a revenue of 9% and PAT CAGR of 18% over FY23 to FY25 earnings. Next on radar is Gabriel India. Our analyst maintains a buy on Gabriel India with a revised price target of Rs 384. Owing to its strong brand equity, market share expansion strategy, focus on profitability, expectation of rise in content per vehicle, and its inorganic growth strategies, along with renewed focus on exports. Content per vehicle is expected to rise on increase in market share in electric car space. Its sunroof project is on track and management is continuing to look for a margin accretive inorganic growth opportunity. Stock trades at price to equity multiple of 17.8 times and EV by EBITDA multiple of 10.7 times its FY26 estimated earnings. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.